The Landmine single leg Romanian deadlift is an effective exercise for targeting the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back while also challenging your balance and stability. To get started, insert the end of the barbell into the landmine attachment or into the corner of a wall. Load an appropriate weight on the other end of the barbell. While facing the barbell, bend over and grab the end of the barbell with the inside hand with an overhand grip, then stand up. Shift your weight onto the outside leg with the inside leg lifted slightly off the ground. Contract your core for balance, then begin the movement by hinging at the hips, pushing your hips back while extending your raised leg back behind your body as you lower the barbell towards the ground. At the bottom of the lift, focus on keeping your back straight while maintaining a neutral spine and keeping your hips square to limit excessive hip rotation. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings as you maintain tension in the planted leg. Engage your hamstrings and glutes by pressing your planted leg through the ground to return to the upright position. Perform all the reps on one leg, then switch legs and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.